If you are receiving this transmission, you have either survived the zombie apocalypse or it has not yet reached your area. If it has not yet reached your area, keep watching. I have vital survival information to share. If you have survived a recent horde of zombies, keep moving. When you have reached the safe zone, tune back to this transmission. Now it's time for zombie research findings. Research finding number 1. Zombies are real. Chances are zombies are already plaguing your school. Have you ever noticed a classmate suddenly become very dismissive and develop an unhealthy obsession with shiny objects like a smartphone? Keep your eyes open and your head on a swivel. Do you see anything out of place in this common school scenario? Take a closer look.
Are you going to the dance party this weekend?
Where?
You going to the dance?
I am going to the dance, and have you noticed something different about Mr. Broglie?
By now you've noticed that at least 3 of the 5 people in this scenario are indeed infected with the zombie virus. Zombie research fact number 2. Poor grammar usage is a symptom of zombification. In order to diagnose whether a loved one is infected, you need to recognize how proper grammar looks and sounds. Let's look at some examples from the previous scenario and then I'll share survival strategies that will keep you safe from infection. Do you see anything odd about David's question? Are you going to the dance party this weekend? Does he use a subject and verb? Does it properly end with an appropriate punctuation mark? Is it a complete thought, or does it leave you confused? Zombies will try to confuse you with poor grammar, while you are trying to understand what they are talking about. You are vulnerable for them to attack. David is not infected. Let's look at his crush, Margaret. Do you see anything dangerous about Margaret's response? At is a preposition. It is almost always a bad idea to end a sentence with a preposition. Margaret is showing early symptoms of zombification. We need to move fast and correct her grammar before it is too late. Let's move on and diagnose Tyler's conversation with Hubert. Do you see any danger lurking in Tyler's sentence? It sounds awkward, right? That's because it's missing the verb, are. However, the most fatal error is the misused word. Can you find the misused word? Tyler does not know how to properly distinguish between to and to. Hubert, however, corrects Tyler's thought, and quickly identifies Mr. Broglie as a possible threat. Believe it or not, adults are just as susceptible to infection. Sometimes more so because they do not read enough books after graduating high school or college. Luckily, Hubert is a master zombie survivalist, and that's obvious. Hubert understands that taking a strong stance on using proper grammar is the best defense against zombification. So, our last research point for this transmission: proper grammar usage is the best defense against zombies. #RealTalk. I'm going to continue conducting more zombie research and creating transmissions to train you to be fearless, like Hubert. Next time we meet, we'll discuss how to optimize your brain to learn faster, read faster, and look at more examples of proper grammar that will keep you free of infection. Until next time, Flora is out.